I'm actually interested to get into it because we get a lot of questions and confusion around.
A lot of people do not understand the difference between the three at all.
Yes. So let's start with, what is flood?
So flood would be when water from natural sources, whether it be a river, a bank, a lake, whatever the case may be, they breach the banks, they jump the banks, and there are heavy rains as well. And when the ground becomes oversaturated with the water, and it causes it to seep into the foundation of a property. So it's all coming from outside water sources.
Okay. So a good way to think of it is external water.
External water, yes.
Okay.